This is a review of the Yeedi, Y-E-E-D-I, Vac 2 Pro vacuumer slash mopper. And we just used it for the first time yesterday, and so far we're super happy with it. It seems to work fantastic. We have about a 2,400 square foot house. It has tile mostly. We do have some carpeting as well. We also have a pretty big dog, a black and white dog that sheds like crazy, so we have a lot of hair that we need to pick up. And yesterday, this thing did a pretty good job. So we're gonna fire it up now and give you a little demo on how it works. And the first thing you're gonna hear, well, actually,
please make sure there is sufficient water in the water tank.
You probably just heard it. It says starting vacuuming and mopping. So it's on vacuum slash mopping mode right now. It is going to pick up the dog hair and stuff, and then it's gonna vacuum right behind it. You have to fill the tank with the reservoir with water, and then you can put any kind of solution in there that you want. It'll take that. Now, as you can see, that was a good example of what it does. It stops right before it actually hits tables, furniture, walls. It doesn't even hit the walls, and it just keeps going. So it will continue this motion for the entire house until you tell it to go back to its station. And it's just gonna keep going, and you can actually, right now, I can smell the cleaner that we put in it. So of course it makes the house smell good, right? And what it does also, it maps out your entire layout of the house. This is what it did yesterday, and I'm gonna show you a picture of the app. So with the app, and that's what it did. That's kind of the outline of our house. It did that yesterday. So it creates a smart view, and our dog just got scared of it. It creates a smart view of your floor plan, and I guess it stores it and remembers it. So, I mean, I'm not going to bore you here with the entire house to get clean, so we're going to show you how it goes back to its port and back to the home. So we're going to click on turn back to the station. You can just heard that. That's what it's going to do right now. So it's going to kind of cruise around, find its path. And it's going to head back to, hopefully, the station here in a second. Might take just a second. See, it kind of shuts down the operation, and then it slowly goes back all by itself to the docking station, and then it shuts off.
Reservoir and replace the mopping pad in time.
So now it's going to start charging. You just heard what it said too. Replace the reservoir water, empty it, and then replace the pad. So also what we're going to do is show you how to do that.
To vacuum mode.
So when you take that piece out, it switches automatically to vacuum mode, which is kind of cool. Also, one thing I want to show you as well is when we turned this over yesterday. Yep. So invariably, you're gonna get some hair and stuff get caught up in these rollers, just like a normal vacuum cleaner. It's super easy to take out and clean. You got these two little tabs right here. Just push them together, pop this out. Then you take the roller out, and then you can clean it as you need to clean it. And you put it right back in. You replace this part, clip it right back in, and it snaps right back in. It's good to go again. So yeah, super easy to operate too. It just has done a fantastic job for us, and we're looking forward to keep on using it and keeping our house clean.